Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the hidden features on the Amazfit Bip 6 and I'll be sharing my favorite features later in this video. So make sure that you watch it till the end, and with that, let's get started. If you're concerned about the privacy and security of the watch, there is a screen lock built into the software on this watch. So if you go in settings, go in preference, you will see this feature off wrist lock. So tap on it and you can read about it here. When the system detects that the watch is off the wrist, it automatically locks the watch with a passcode. So let's try this out. We'll turn this on, select the passcode and try it on. So right now I'm wearing the watch and all the features are working just fine. Now let's try if I take it off, how soon it will lock. Now I've taken this off, still working, and now it's locked. So now I need to add in the password. So as soon as you take it off, the watch will lock itself. There is a very cool offline voice control built into Bip 6 as well. So you can use your voice to control your watch after the screen turns on. So if we go in settings and then go in voice assistant, you will see this feature, offline voice control. Go in here and here you will see these three options. The first one is wake up mode. So the first option here is respond within 5 seconds after you turn your wrist. So as you turn your wrist and the screen turns on, you will have 5 seconds to say anything and the watch will do it, or respond within 15 seconds after the screen lights on. So we'll go with this one. So here you can read about it. Respond within 5 seconds after the screen lights on. Offline voice will remain active for 5 seconds after you light the screen, which reduces battery life. So we'll go with this and see how this works. Now if we go back, you can also see all the commands that you can use. So we have some system controls. So here you can see watch face, do not disturb controls, battery saver controls, theater mode, volume control, brightness control. There's a lot to go on here. And then we have app controls and you can open apps. Through this feature, we have workout controls, alarm and timer, and reminder control as well. And then the last feature is offline voice language, and we can select English from here. So let's test this out. Open calendar. There you go. It's seamless and I really like this feature as well. You can change this app view on Amazfit Bip 6 as well. So right now we have this list app view. If we go in settings and go in preference, scroll down, you will find this option app view. Go in here and from here select this grid view, tap on it, and now we have this grid view of the app drawer. A really cool feature on the Amazfit Bip 6 is that you can rotate the screen on this watch. So if you're wearing this watch on your left wrist like this, you can then wear it on your right wrist like this. So these buttons always stay on the outside. Now you can do this by going in settings, then go in preferences, and then go in wearing direction. So right now buttons are on the right and you can wear it on the left wrist like this, but then you can tap on buttons on the left and rotate it and now wear on your right wrist with buttons on the left. You can set multiple timers on Amazfit Bip 6 as well. So if we go in the app drawer and then go in timer app, you can see that we have some preset timers and I can turn them all on. Tap on this plus button, start another one, and from here I can pause them, play them as well, and I can go in them and cancel them as well. There's a very cool feature hidden in the sleep settings and I want to show you how this works. So if you go into the sleep app, you can see all your sleep metrics here, your sleeping time, wake up time, REM, light sleep, deep sleep. But if you go in settings, you'll see something called sleep schedule. So if you go in here, you can set your sleep schedule. You can select the days, your wake up time, your bedtime, and then you can set up wake up alarm, bedtime reminder, and enable sleep mode when the watch detects that you are sleeping. Feature is basically designed to improve your sleeping habits and bring more consistency in your sleeping patterns. Now there are a lot of settings that you can customize when you are in different workouts. So if we go in workouts and let's say we go in treadmill, we have two modes here, free mode and constant speed mode. So let's go in free mode, and if we go in settings and go in assistant, you can set up your workout goals. You can set up workout alerts, so safe heart rate or heart rate zones and distance and all that. You can turn all of them on if you want all of these alerts. Then we have auto lap feature. You can turn this on, select the distance as well. We have auto pause by pace or when you're still. There's a virtual pacer that you can turn on and set the pace, and you can also select cadence assistance. So you can turn it on, set these values, and you'll be good to go. If you go in training, you can set up your interval training, and here you can select the training time, rest, and loop, and go in settings to change them as well. You can also add a cool down period. If we go in more, you can change or customize the data pages when you're working out. What information do you want to see? So we have workout duration, distance, heart rate, pace, average pace, cadence, average cadence, calories, heart rate, and then you can add a page, and from here you can select what is it that you want to see. You can add another page, and you can add speed, pace, and training effect. So there is a lot of stuff that goes on, and for a lot of these workouts, these settings are customizable. They are based on the type of workout that you're doing. So if I go in pool swimming, you will see that now we have lane length from 25 meter, 50 meters, 25 yard, and you can add custom lengths here as well. And then go in these settings, and you will have specific settings based on swimming. So there you go. Now we have aerobic, anaerobic factors coming in, duration, calorie goals, conditional pause or no goal. You have auto lap. So these workout settings are customizable and contextual based on the type of workout that you are doing. And for an $80 smartwatch, that's a lot of value. We also get a compass on this watch, and this compass has a fantastic feature. So if we go in compass, it will ask us to calibrate it, and we'll calibrate it. But then you will see this feature here. If we tap on it, it will lock the location on the compass, and if we move, it tells us exactly how many degrees we're moving in a certain direction. How cool is that? That is fantastic. You can use it on trails or hikes, and you can realize exactly how many degrees you're moving in what direction. In certain cases, you might want to keep the display on your watch on for longer than the screen on duration, which is just 30 seconds. So if you want to keep the display on for more than 30 seconds, there is a functionality built into this watch as well. So just swipe down and then tap on this button here. So here you can read the watch screen will stay lit, which reduces battery life. So from here you can, keep this display on from 5 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes.